Here's a quick video on the phone assembly for the BDC Center. This is the back side, so this would be the left side, but it's reversed. This phone and 3 consoles. So on the consoles themselves, and the phone here, on this one we just labeled these to make it super clear. On the one that's pre-assembled is the wall jack. There is the one where the Ethernet cord, like this, plugs in there, and that connects to the network. The PC jack here is if there isn't a dedicated, Cat6 cable going to the computer. It's a daisy chain, so this one goes to the outlet in the partition or wall, and then this one goes off to the PC. The important note, there's a note here, right here, about the power supply. When you plug in a network device and it's using power over Ethernet, the device will ask the switch and say, hey, send me power up the phone. But because we have all this attached, that's a lot of power to be running over the network cable. We want the power to come from this, the power supply. So in doing that, it's just pretty simple. Just take this cord from the power supply, plug that in, and then go ahead and plug in the network cable, right after that. That'll tell the phone, okay, this is where I'm going to get my power from, and then it's going to just get the network connection off of that data cable. So if the network cable is plugged in first on a console this large, it probably will work, but it'll have weird issues and buttons not working right because it's starving itself from power. So that's how to hook up the power. Over here, a common mistake is taking the cord to the handset and plugging that into the headset port. So I covered that up and made it clearer to not use that. Okay, so on these things, these supports for the back, they just pop down. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. If you use this one, the phone's going to be tilted up at a higher angle, like a 45-degree angle. If you put it in this one and push it in, it's going to be at about a 30-degree angle. So if you sit right over the top of your phone, you might want to have it at a lower angle. So just that, and push it in, and then lock it into place. Same with all of those supports. Now, you notice this port here is the first to the console, hops to this one, and then this one hops to this one, and this one hops to this one. So it's pretty simple. There's just a little rubber piece here. This just pops out and then exposes these connectors here. So in each box there's the cord here, the little connecting plate, and these thumb screws. They're really super simple. Just lay them flat on any surface, and you don't need a tool or anything. This just sets in place once you pop out the rubber grommet, and then just screw these down and you're set. So you've got everything connected across. You got these, you got the back plates, and then that's how to connect the cords. Hopefully that'll make assembly of the remaining phones pretty simple. Thanks.